weekly series, you'll expect na every episode, laging busog na busog. Kasi syempre, bubuhos mo lahat dun, di ba? Kasi people are gonna wait for you for another week. Syempre, kailangan bonggahan mo. Pero, the biggest scene that, or the most memorable scene for me, one of the big scenes is, I shot for 4 hours yata. Yung inciting incident nung yung sa well, nung naghiwalay silang dalawa sa well. So, I was blown away by both the actress and the actor. It was a breeze shooting it in the same time. Nag-iiyakan yung mga nanonood sa likod ko kasi nakakaiyak yung... Hindi pa edited yun ha. Sinushoot pa lang namin. So, sabi ko ang galing ng dalawang to. It was a long scene. It was 6 pages worth of scene na parang... ang haba niyang scene. Pero yun kasi pinaka-essentially, yun yung inciting incident. Doon magsisimula ang kwento. Kung bakit kailangan mag-travel back in time dahil nangyari to. So, it was a long scene with almost nasa 20 shots ata ang ginawa ko doon or more. Pero they were sustaining their emotions. It's difficult for you to cry, tapos cut. Pero it's more difficult for you to cry 20 times nang iba-iba yung iikot yung camera sa ulo mo para to cover everything. May top shot pa si Krisha, may galing sa ilalim, may galing dito, may galing dito. Lahat iniyak niya. Piling ko tuyong-tuyo na siya nung gabi niyo. Pero grabe ang galing niya, ang galing ng emotions niya. So sabi ko, nakaka-inspire kung ginagalingan nila. So ginagalingan ko rin. Yun.